Hello, fellow YouTubers, and today we have a 17 Tacoma, and we're going to attempt to put in this, and this, and don't need that. I don't know what this is. Navigation map. No, whatever. I guess it's probably for the unit, but we got to pull the radio up. So this video is only for the radio. Can't be any easier than this, but just grab it and pull and pull and pull, and there you go. Clip, 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 clip. No tools for this. Now we gotta take out 10 mils. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna use that. So I can't do this one. I'm gonna try it with one hand. One. No, I'm looking too. Ooh, oh boy. 3. And suction. That's 4. So let's get them out. This is the first time I'm doing this. So cup holder, cup holder, cup holder, and cup holder. And there's the radio. Whoa, that was easy. So let's pull all these clips off, and we'll be right back to show you the end result. Alright, so this one had the camera, which I think they all have cameras nowadays, but there you go. Okay, radio's out. You got one plug, 2, that's the antenna. This is probably GPS. Here's speakers. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out when we start putting that guy in. So there it is. That's how to move the radio in a 17 Tacoma, and should probably work for the newer generation. But I'm going to make more videos. So like this one, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.